Good day friends, welcome to School with Scroll. So today I would like to talk on a general overview on the brachial plexus. So when we talk about plexus, what do we mean? Plexus simply means interconnection of neurovascular structures. That is, nerves can form plexus, arteries and also veins can also form plexus. So meaning they can join and also divide. The reason for this joining and division is simply because they can share one or two things together. For example, when a nerve join and divide, it's simply because probably the single nerve that's going to arise from there is going to carry both motor and both sensory sensation. So the brachial plexus simply means a network of nerve, that is interconnection of nerve that supplies the upper limb. So it supplies the upper limb, that is for your arm, your forearm, even the hand, and also the palm of the hand, and also the dorsum of the hand, and some parts of the thorax. Some superficial part of the thorax actually can also be supplied by the brachial plexus. So this brachial plexus, we have the postfix and we have the prefix brachial plexus. Brachial plexus in the real sense are formed by the lower four cervical nerves and the first thoracic vertebrae, the nerve that arises from the first thoracic vertebrae. But in some cases we can have a postfix and also prefix. So when we talk about the prefix, instead of having the fifth cervical vertebrae, then the contribution from the C4, that is the fourth cervical vertebrae, is very very large, whereas the contribution from the T2, that is the second thoracic vertebrae, is absent or negligible. But in the case whereby we have a postfix brachial plexus, then the contribution from the T2, that is the second thoracic vertebrae, is very very large, and the contribution from the C4 is either absent or negligible. So the brachial plexus have what we call the root, the trunk, the division, and also the cord. So the root and the trunk, they are found in the neck, but the division, of course, we find them at the back of the clavicle, that is behind the clavicle, whereas the cords are found deep in the axilla. So those cords also further have what we call branches. The roots, as we know, they are from five roots. The trunk, we have three trunk, but the division, there are six in number, three anterior divisions and also three posterior divisions. Then the cords, we have three major cords of the brachial plexus. Then we have different branches, numerous branches of the brachial plexus. So in a general summary, so brachial plexus is a plexus of nerve that is formed by the anterior ventral primary rami of the lower four cervical vertebrae, and also from the contribution of the first thoracic vertebrae. And as said, they supply the upper limb, so the arm, the forearm, the hand, and also the palm, and also some part of the thorax are being supplied by also the brachial plexus. So if you find this video helpful, I would like you to like our channel, to subscribe to our page, and to also share this link with your friends. Thank you very much.